In this lesson, I'll be taking you step by step from start to finish how you can really set up your account and start sending bulk email. If you already have your account, just log in with your details, click login. But if you don't have your account, just click register, and we are going to fill this form. Make sure you fill this form, and mostly make sure your number is valid, because we are going to be calling you time to time to be checking on you. And after filling this form, just select agree for all our terms and service. You can read. If you can't, just accept our terms and conditions. This is how your dashboard is going to look like. In the time to come, we are still updating a lot of things. This is going to keep changing. So you see, here is the price plans of our price plan is going to be showing here, but right now we make it blank. And here is list. You can create list, tools, and the IP backlist. Campaign is where you can start running regular campaign, autoresponder, group campaign, send group message, status, common, and more. So all these things I'm going to break down. Email templates here. If you want to design your email like templates, here is where you can get our templates. Everything is going to come in time to come. Landing page, if you want to design your own website on your dashboard, here you can set up and design your landing page anyhow you want it. It's really professional. I'm still going to do video about it. And here is our delivery server, bounce server, and feedback loop server, and warm-up plans. So if you want us to warm up your account, we can warm up your account. And the delivery server really where you can add your own delivery server for your own sender domain, or you can use our own delivery server to run your campaign. So you see here we have blank server. We don't have anything, so pretty much you are going to be using our own server. But if you want to set your own server, we give you permission to set it up. And if you want us to set it so that we depend on your own server, that's another extra service that you don't need to rely on our own service. You have to rely on your own delivery server to know exactly what is happening 100% without our own permission. So here is survey. You can also do survey if you want to collect info from your clients or whatever. Email verification, you can really bulk email checker and the email list verification. All this is what I'm going to cover. But first of all, let's go back to dashboard. So now close this. So now how can you really send message? How can you even start up? Here you'll see that I already sending message. Open rate is already see my open rate here 66%, and the click rate I'm getting 33% rate open rate. See, and unsubscribe rate 0, complaining rate 0. Nobody is complaining. Nobody ever report my campaign. You see, view campaign report for all the campaign I have sent. So this one is the latest one. So how can you really send a message here? And that brings us to first thing you need to do is to click here list, and click list. Here I have two lists already. So for you to click to create your own list, that is the beginning of your sending. So you have to click create list here. So, and here is what your list, how your list is going to look like. It's automatically going to pick your details. For example, if you want to send that your email from your Gmail you used to create this account, you can still go to send it, but I don't recommend sending with Gmail. And for you right now, for our own delivery server, I will recommend this is info@romanqualis.com. How to get this info details for you to send? You see this, you can copy our domain name here. You can copy it. Once you copy it, all you have to do just click info@, then you paste this domain name. I'm going to send you this domain name. If you request how to request ticket, you can submit ticket. You see this message, you see this place, you can always submit ticket this place. I'm going to teach you how to do that later if you want email our email sender. So here now you have to name, let's say you have to name your list so that you can remember which email and which country is this email come from. For example, this list is just for video tutorial, so I'm going to video tutorial part 2, let's say part 1. So video tutorial part 1, and display list for me to remember video tutorial part 1 again. So for me to really remember this list, so that anytime I want to resend this people message, I know that this is people that come from Australia and this is exactly what they are. On your own case, because you're going to be starting email different content companies, countries, and be sending different people's message. So here to describe this, just testing. All these things, it doesn't mean anything, but for you to remember the list you send message, which list is the list you want to send message each time you want to send them message. You understand? Because this software will help you to do a lot of things. Here you can force double opt-in, but leave everything single opt-in. Make sure welcome email, I don't need welcome email. Sub request approved, no. Leave every other thing as default. And I see here we already selected your email as reply to. If you want to change it to another one, make sure you change it. You understand? You can always change this to another reply to. Make sure you add your reply to, because that is where people is going to respond to you. This email, you are not the owner of the email. You understand? People is from our own delivering server. We are relying on our own delivering server for now. So we are also going to make some integration to build your own server, but it's one step at a time. You have to use this our delivery server for now. So next step here is really to your subject line. Just write your subject line here. You're still going to change it later, but yeah, you have to write it. So other things here, I will recommend just leave it blank, but you can't leave company details blank. The name of company, you can still write anything, but it's much important. Telecommunication industry, whatever zone, Ghana, this place, you have to fill it. You have to fill it. Don't leave anything. You can always fill it with your own things. You understand? But this smartphone number is not required. It's not must. You understand? If you are doing it, if anyone that is must is going to show you for you to fill it up.